This video answers the question how to buy shares of Rocky Brands Inc. and shows the basic steps. Rocky Brands manufactures durable work and outdoor footwear and trades on the NASDAQ under the ticker RCKY. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, typically by uploading an identity document, and then add funds to your account to make purchases. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker RCKY to find Rocky Brands Inc. Select the listing that shows NASDAQ as the exchange to be sure you have the correct stock. On the stock page, you'll see basic company details and a price chart for Rocky Brands. Confirm the company name, NASDAQ listing, and ticker RCKY to ensure this is the right asset before proceeding. To place an order, choose the amount you want to invest, review the order summary, and confirm the trade when the market is open. If the market is closed, your order will be queued or placed as a pending order. If your balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before final confirmation. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the order executes, and you can monitor it there. For convenience, I left a link to eToro in the description if you want to follow the same steps.